Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make damsel stew. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of fresh damsel fish fillets, cut into bite-sized pieces. For the aromatics, prepare 1 large onion, 2 medium carrots, and 3 celery stalks, all finely diced. We'll also use 4 cups of quality fish broth and 1/2 cup of dry white wine to build a rich flavor base. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of olive oil, along with salt, pepper, and fresh parsley for seasoning and garnish. Now let's get our vegetables ready. In a large, heavy-bottomed pot or Dutch oven, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. Once shimmering, add your finely diced onion, carrots, and celery. Sauté these aromatic vegetables gently for about 8 to 10 minutes, stirring occasionally until they become tender and slightly translucent. This step is crucial for building the foundational flavors of our stew. Remember to season them lightly with about 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Next, we'll bring our stew to life. Pour in 1/2 cup of dry white wine, scraping up any brown bits from the bottom of the pot, and let it simmer for about 2 minutes until it reduces slightly. Then, add 4 cups of fish broth, bringing the entire mixture to a gentle boil. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let it simmer for 20 minutes. This allows the flavors to deepen beautifully. Finally, gently add your damsel fish pieces and cook for just 5 to 7 minutes, or until the fish is opaque and flakes easily. Our delicious damsel stew is almost ready. Before serving, give it a taste and adjust the seasonings with additional salt and pepper if necessary. You want those flavors to really pop. Carefully ladle the hot stew into individual serving bowls. For a fresh finish, garnish each bowl generously with plenty of fresh, chopped parsley. This adds a lovely color and aroma. Serve your warm, comforting damsel stew immediately, perhaps with some crusty bread for dipping or a simple side of rice. Enjoy your homemade culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.